You can transform your playing right now, right here, in these next couple minutes watching this video. The chord I'm gonna show you will take you from an average, mediocre player to absolutely turning heads. I love this chord so much because you're gonna be able to use it to bridge different chords together. It's like the great connector. So no matter where you wanna go on the fretboard, this chord will take you there. So say we have two chords like C minor 7 to F minor 7. All right, so the chord I'm gonna show you is a diminished chord. And it sounds like this. And what I love so much about this chord is that it's like a super highway to take you to the next chord that you're about to arrive at. And so say we are trying to get to F minor 7. All you have to do is go down a half step, and that's your root for the diminish. So whatever your target is, whatever your destination note is, that you just go down a half step and find your diminished chord. So C minor 7. Our target is F minor 7, right? So we go down a half step. We play that shape, that diminished shape. Wow. That's not all this chord can do. You can actually move it. You can move this chord up and down. It's the same fingering. You just move it up and down, 3 frets up or 3 frets down. It's the same exact chord. So all of a sudden, instead of just knowing this one chord, you know a whole bunch of chords that'll get you up and down the neck. So how can you apply it? So say we're doing C minor, and we're going to F minor, right? So remember, we go down a half step, and we play this diminished chord, but we can do something like this, move it up. We can move this diminished chord up 3 frets, and then land on our target note. So let's try that again. Literally do it whenever you're approaching a chord. So say we want to go back home to C minor, we can do the same thing, right? C minor 7, we go down a half step and play that diminished shape. And we can move it up 3 frets as well. Move it back down if you want, and resolve. So let's put everything together. We can play C minor, diminished, F minor 7. That sounds great. But if we wanted to add even more movement, we could do this diminished shape. And then we do this diminished shape. Right? This diminished is exactly how I was describing earlier in the video, how you can use it. You know, you target your C minor, you go down a half step, play that chord, this diminished chord, and you just move it up and down. This is such a great way to get an advanced flavor in your playing without having to learn too much, without having to stretch your brain too much. This is such an important, useful tool in gospel music, in R&B music, in lo-fi, neo-soul, pop music. It's really one of those devices that you're gonna find you use over and over again. And it's one that will make your friends look at you a little sideways like, okay, somebody learned something new today. It's such a great way to add color to your playing and add this rich complexity that isn't always available with just stock bar chords. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.